In this video, I am going to show you how you can make $300 in one day. So if you're interested in this content, I'd like you to keep on watching. My name is Ethel and I'm super excited to have you here in this channel. I talk about how you can make money online, finances, immigration to Canada, productivity, and self-improvement. If you're interested in any of this content, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you always know when I release a new video. So the website I want to talk about today is called elitepersonalfinance.com. So this website talks about credit cards, loans, scholarship, money, identity theft, safety, and tools. Also studies. You can see the kind of posts they put up here: best personal loan 2020, best personal loan for bad credit, best personal loan for fair credit 2020, best personal loan for good and excellent credit, best personal loan with no credit history 2020. And you can see the kind of topic they like talking about: how to get a personal loan with bad credit quickly and easily, payday loan alternative, and all that. So this website actually takes posts from people. So if you know how to write posts, the first thing you need to do is to come and take a look at what or the kind of posts they put up here. And in a second, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 from this website. So just take a look at the kind of posts they put up here: how to manage your credit card while in debt, the guide of choosing the right business credit card. So let me just take you to the main point here, how to make money from this website. So you can see they said here, get $300 to write for us. Finances, business, money, credit report, credit loan, credit card loans. And it said the last time they updated this particular page was on the May 28th of 2020. So they said we spend over $100,000 per year for high quality content. So I can see we pay $300 per guest post. If this is of interest to you, send us an email at info@elitepersonalfinance.com with title of your post idea, and we'll let you know whether to move forward. Once complete, we will compensate you $300 for your hard work. This could become a recurring venture, so don't hesitate to reach out to us. As you can see, they're saying do not hesitate to reach out today. So they say the rules. Actually, you should aim to write about 10,000 to 300 words per post. It said avoid including any promotional links. Include original artwork if possible. Send it as document attachment. Now, the kind of post that they actually accept is the personal finance, business, make money online posts, save money, loans, credit cards, identity theft, credit reports, guides, article, unique content, and also helpful tips. So this is really interesting. They also want you to know that they don't give a link back to website. Maybe if you have a blog and you are trying to grow your traffic, just bear in mind that this is just a business website. Write for us and we will pay you, and and that's it. So don't think about getting a link back. This is just a place where you can come and make money. Just write for us, we pay you, and that's it. Now if you're interested, I'm going to keep the link to this website in the description box, where you can actually get a hold of them and send them email, or also get to their website and you can take a look and see what's going on there. So now the most interesting part of this site is that you can also send your story. You share your story with them and they'll pay you $200. Take a look. They said we are also willing to compensate you for your own identity theft story. So if you have had an issue with identity theft, if you have been victimized before, now this is a time to share that story. If you're willing and you actually want to make $300 from your story, this is the place to send it to. So it said the more unique imagery you can provide, the the better. We pay $300 per post on the level of proof you can provide on the way you were victimized. So, you know, for instance, if it all started after a major data breach, you could reference an email from that company mentioning the compromise of your information. If you have proof of your credit report, censor everything else and show that and shows that censor everything else and show that, and we will be even more generous. So if you are willing to bring, you know, proofs, you know, anybody can come up with story. So if you're willing to give these guys proof to tell them actually you had an identity theft due to, you know, careless on the company or the bank or whatever, and you're willing to give them, you know, the main things like your credit history where it's stated and all that, these guys are even willing to pay you more. So it's not even only paying you just $200, you know what I mean. This website is willing to even pay you more. So if you can bring all those proof, you know, to put your stories all together so that, you know, they will know that, okay, this guy is actually saying the truth, or this girl is saying the truth. So they say rules: avoid talking badly about any specific business. So you should be ready to, you know, be positive about the whole thing, not, you know, saying any form of negativity about the company you have this issue with. Say, make sure not to mention other names. Keep it 100 word plus at least. Submit it as a document. So you can see this website will pay you. Actually, this website will pay you to, you know, share your own story with them. So I also want to point out something here where they talked about elite finance as a really unique interest. Now I would like to point out this side where they said elite finance, where they said elite personal finance accept only unique, interesting, helpful content for our readers. So you have to be engaging. You have to, you know, if you don't know how to write, or you're thinking you don't know how to write content, all you need to do is just go on Google, search how to write an article. You see a lot of things that will come out there, which will basically help you to put this, you know, put this to life. So one thing I would like to say is, you know, even though I put out this kind of videos, we all know that action, you know, speaks loud. So if you're not putting these things into action, you're not trying, we know that everybody is finding it very difficult in this period because of what is going around in the world. This is actually where you can stay at home and make money. You know, $300 is a lot of money, right? And if you can dedicate a day to a post, that makes it 300. Some people can dedicate 2 posts in a day, which makes it, you know, $600. That's a lot of money. When you multiply $600 and you do this, you know, 10 consecutive days, that will give you $6,000. So it's a lot of money, and I think they're paying you, the amount of money they're paying for this post is really, really, on the high side. So if you would like to make use of this opportunity, well, it's up to you. I've given you the information. Now it's up to you to put it into action. So one thing you should know about all these things I've been putting online is you have to put it into action. You know, I've given you the information. I've gone to search this information just to help you. I understand what's going on in the world. People find it very difficult because of, you know, all we've been through since the beginning of this year. So this is an avenue for you to make money even without having experience. Can you imagine sharing a story, sharing your own story and making $200 out of it? One way that you can get an opportunity to always write for this kind of company is by going through their website and reading their posts, understanding how they write, how they want it to sound, you know, and then copying that same steps that they use and presenting your own in that form. That will definitely make them to always hire you to write more posts and more posts and more posts and more posts. Can you imagine writing 2 posts a day? That is $600 a day, and doing that for 10 days, that's $6,000. That's a lot of money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.